Here are the top 3 most expensive classic muscle cars ever sold. You won't believe how much they went for. Number 3. 1970. Plymouth Superbird Hemi sold for $1.6 million. Built for NASCAR, it had a massive rear wing and a 426 Hemi engine. Number 2. 1971. Plymouth Hemi Cuda Convertible. It sold for $3.5 million, only 11 were ever made. It had a 426 Hemi V8 under the hood, a true legend. Number 1. 1967 L88 Chevrolet Corvette. Sold for $3.85 million, 430 horsepower. Race ready and no radio or heater. If money wasn't a problem, which one would you choose? Comment below and follow for more muscle car madness.